Alright, we're working on the 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL. So now we got the custom floor mats in it. We got our cup phone holder. And that's actually the one that will hooks to the computer through my Conway, which is down there. Alright, that allows you to do a great deal many things. Tracks your trips. You can even take that phone with you and find out where your car's at. Yeah, it hooks to the the vehicle's computer, and it tells you all kinds of things like vacuum and on and so forth. If you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and check it out. You'll really appreciate that. The phone hooks in via Bluetooth. Okay, that's the old mat. The new mats that I got are actually fit better. The new mats are from LLoyd Mats. So that's really, really nice. So now we got our car with our fancy interior. New power package. I just got my charger on it so I don't run down the battery while I'm working inside the vehicle. And that's really nice to have. I just use this as a battery maintainer. I'll go ahead and leave it on. Just a nice garage, got a small amount of heat. That's all I use for heat, and it's enough to thaw this car out even when it's covered with ice. So it's plenty enough. It makes it nice for working in here also. So, wow. There you have it. We're just bringing the car up to snuff. I got like 800 miles on this engine and transmission. It is on warranty. So I'm looking forward to another 200,000 miles of pleasurable driving with this vehicle. And it is fun to drive. And the main reason I got the cup phone holder was so I could use GPS on the road. That's a really nice feature. I probably won't even need it, just for going back and forth to work every day. So, but now I got it, and I'll be able to use it when I want to for those long trips, or even just trips to the city or whatever you want, because you know how it is. Now I'll be able to answer the phone, just put it on speakerphone, won't even have to look at it, and keep on cruising down the road. So that's going to be beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And so there you have it. 1997 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, brought to you by Rudy Racing.